All right, it's the big day. They're 4 weeks old, and this is their first solid food.
Well, semi-solid.
Yeah.
All right, here you go, puppies. Here you go.
Yeah, put them all around.
Oh.
They're familiar with the bowl because we've been giving them some supplementation with milk
All confused.
and baby food. Look how
No,
good.
that's your sister's ear.
Look how good they are. Most puppies usually crawl all through it and it's a big mess. Look how good they are. Such nice little eaters. What do you think, Paige?
Mama's proud.
What do you think, Paige? Yes.
I think Paige wants some.
Now she won't have to supply everything.
They're going right for it, boy.
They are. Nobody's choking yet. Nope.
Oh. A little cough.
I might have mixed up a little bit too much for their first meal. Gonna be some fat bellies by the time they're
I
done.
don't think they mind at all.
Doing the splits there, huh?
Just a little.
Aw. Okay.
Oh.
Nope.
Doesn't like her foot in it.
Nope, there goes the foot.
You got plenty in front of you. No reason to push your brother or sister.
All right, so they're doing very well. I think that's probably enough for now.